Hi, in this video I will show you how to put together this little mini explosion box that can hold a little piece of candy for any occasion using this freebie from Simply Crafty SVGs. So this is a fun little freebie. Here are the basics of the file. I have some things I'm going to add to it. But here are the lid and the lid panels. And here's the lid. So we'll put those on, but we want to pre-fold it. Then we have the panels that go inside and outside. So I'm going to put the red ones on the inside. And then I have this middle panel. So we can put a little piece of candy or something like a kiss in the middle. And I have something that I'm going to add to it, a little Christmas bell. So we can, I'm just going to start by adding the one to the middle here. Then we add these 4 pattern paper panels to the outside. So this is a nice little gift for Christmas, for or just for any time. Just kind of a fun little gift to give coworkers, friends, a pick-me-up. You can make it in any theme. So it doesn't come with Merry Christmas on it. I did that with, I wrote that with a pen with my Cricut maker and using the curve function. So that's nice. So you could do that with anything, or you could just, you don't have to curve it, you can just put it straight across and put the candy in the middle, whatever sentiment you want to place. Could be just a little birthday, just making it extra special, giving them a birthday card, and just something a little fun. But this would be a good way, what I think of, to give like little gifts to coworkers that's not really huge, but just fun for Christmas or something like that, or the Easter, whatever you celebrate. Here I embossed this a little bit with a holly embossing folder. So these are the outsides. It's square, so it makes it easy to center. So this is my second explosion box freebie. First one is a larger one, which I originally did in Christmas theme. So if you find it, it looks in Christmas colors, but it can be used for anything. A lot of people have downloaded that one. They're good because you can just personalize them how you want to. Well, this something this small, obviously you can't do a whole lot, but add embellishments to it. I pulled that one a little bit too far down, but that's okay. But you can make these quite quickly. So these are in SVG format, so if you want to download it off our website, you can. That's the inside. So I always say an explosion box either needs to be trained to open, when you pull the lid off it falls open. But if you don't have a lot of weight on it, then it's not going to fall open. So I like to loosen the folds a little bit. We don't want to do so much you're going to tear, but so this is the reason why I'm going to add some of these chipboard elements just for fun, since I had them around. And because it's chipboard, it doesn't glue too great, so we're just gonna place it down. Probably should have done the other way, like that. That wasn't my most favorite chipboard element, but I have them, so I might as well use them. So you can put whatever you want in there, obviously. You want to give it time to dry. So you could print and cut something on the phone. You could just leave it as is if you wanted to, but if you wanted to do something else, you could add to it. So we're going to let it dry to the side here. And let's go ahead and put the panels on for the lid. So these just center like so. Could have made them just plain square, but what's the fun of that? If you have a cutting machine, we should be doing shapes. Sometimes they go squarish, but some people like it a little bit more, a little simpler. And I did ink all the panels. And inked a little bit on the edges along here because it was a light craft board. And if you do like our freebies or our projects, I always ask if you give me a thumbs up on the video. Always appreciate that. And if you would like to subscribe, if you haven't already, you can go ahead and hit the subscribe button and click on that notification button bell to the right. That'll let you know when we have new videos, whether it be a freebie, a regular project, paid project, or a tutorial. So I do other tutorials here and there too. We have this last panel, and then all we got to do is glue those side tabs on the inside to make the lid. So we can go ahead and get this little Christmas mini explosion box finished. So we're just going to slide that in, line up this edge with the tab fold. You want to hold it long enough to get it here. So I have a little glue on my thumb. I don't want it on the outside, so I'm going to wipe it off real quick. So that was, to me, the lid, you just want to pay attention to getting those tabs glued in place. It's not hard, it's just holding it long enough. So we'll get these last two. I have a damp cloth, that's what I keep on wiping my fingers off on. Yeah, this is a lighter craft board. I was going to use a darker craft board, but I had this, so thought it would be a different look. So I'm just cleaning it up in there because you can see that. So now I have a little, trying to find the little thing I had to put in here. So I took that little Christmas bell candy, added a couple of glue dots to the bottom. We're going to fold these up and put the lid over. And that's it. And you can add embellishment on the top. I think I'm just going to add a little twine around it. I just wanted to simplify it. I had something else I was thinking about putting on, but I'm just going to put a bow. I might have to have it long enough. Let me get a long enough one. I have this huge thing of twine that I got at Tuesday morning. I don't even know how long ago, but it was for $3.49, so I use it. I like it longer, and then I can just trim it. Just add that little bow on it, and it's way too long now, but that's okay. I'm not really great at bows, but I think twine is forgiving. I know there's a different way to tie this, but I'm just going to do it the natural way for me. So there you go. I can just trim it, but I could just present it like this, and somebody could just go like this and opened it up, and of course I could still train it. That just takes a little bit, but what a cute idea, huh? So that's free, and I hope you enjoyed the project, and thanks for watching.